today we're gonna master together the month in French. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Bote na bandeko nyonso bozakolanda ngai. Ndenge na baka supoza mituna botindela ngai yango nakosala nyonso tuna répondre bino. So guys, this is the month, okay? So in French we say le mois, okay? Le mois. So yeah, so in French this is how we pronounce them, okay? Décembre, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai. Again, décembre, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai. We come here, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre. So, go back. December, January, February, March, April, May. Okay? N'anglais toloba December, toloba December, January, February, March, April, May, okay? And June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay? So we come here. So so guys, I put them like this, you know, for you to see. So we got Janvier, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, August, September, October, November, December. So janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, December. Okay? Come here again, in case you didn't get it. So we have janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, october, November, December. Okay, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So if you take a look, I wrote them on low cases. If you take a look, all right, because you have to be careful. You know, when you write the day in French, not capitalize. We don't capital them. No, we don't do it. So you have to be careful. Okay, French is not English. To be honest with you, some stuff, we don't mix them. Right? So we come here, for example, this is how we say the date in French. So I put them like these because, you know, in French, if somebody asks you, for example, the day today, all right? So that's why I end up putting like this. We want to know the day we are today. For example, I put here of vendredi le 24. So if you take a look here, you see here is the day, the day. Here is the month. Here is the year. Same thing, I put like this in case you don't get confused when you write in French. Okay? So for example, if you take a look here, le 30 décembre 2023. Here, le 24 septembre 2023. Okay? So if you look at, for example, here, in case you don't get it right, I can go back a little bit. So number, you don't get it right, you see September, October. That's the 10th, October, okay? If we go back, here, we're gonna say vendredi le 24 octobre 2023. Same thing here, le 11 octobre 2023. le 24 septembre. So if we go back, because September is right there, in case you don't get it right. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna go back. Okay, because we also have some student, high school students, or the one preschool, to help them. Okay, so January we got here, January we got February, we got March, we got April, we got May, we got June, we got July, we got August, we got September, we got October, we got November, we got December. So in French we say janvier, okay? Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November, December. So if you take a look, we have accent aigu right here. We also have accent aigu right there. We don't have any accent grave. We don't have it. Just two, February and December are the only months that we have the accent. Okay? So yeah, so that's how we read them in French. Okay? So somebody can, if you read here, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? Okay? And then I just put them like this. That way some of you have an idea, especially if you're an English is not French is not your first language. That way you're gonna, you have an idea there. So if we come here, oh sorry, so yeah, so that's why I end up putting them like this. I know the video is not that long, but I just want to provide you guys a little bit, just a little bit, to understand. So that way you know how to pronounce the month in French. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.